My name is Gloria. I am from Nigeria. I am studying for a master's degree in Chinese International Education at Southeast University. This year, the Winter Olympics is held in China. Many of my friends have watched the games. In particular, a few scenes about Nanjing and the opening ceremony have left them with a deep impression that Nanjing has a beautiful night view and splendid lanterns. These made them feel interested. Today is the traditional Chinese Lantern Festival. Let me show you how beautiful the lanterns are. I'm going to enter the scenic spot by scanning my QR code. This is one of China's preventive measures for COVID. There is a saying in Nanjing, if you don't see the lanterns at the Confucius Temple during the New Year, you have not had a good New Year. But this year, due to the epidemic, only the Confucius Temple and the Imperial Examination Museum are showcasing lanterns. But no need to feel sorry. I found some videos taken during the Lantern Festival in previous years. I hope that through these images, you may feel the charm of the Qinhuai Lantern Festival. After seeing so many beautiful and magical lanterns, I am curious, how are the lanterns made?
老季啊，你到中国来，喜欢了解我们的秦淮的传统灯彩，是不是啊？
是的。
哦，这个就是我们的传统灯彩，叫做什么？叫做荷花灯。还看到了，这就是我们最传统的工艺，有62道工艺，牵涉到批、扎、糊、裱、托、书简画刻上。今天给你看一下我们如何去做一盏荷花灯，好不好？
好。
好的，好的啊。荷花灯的花瓣，这个花瓣是怎么来的呢？噔噔噔，哈哈哈哈！
Lotus Lantern, in the eyes of the Chinese, represents harmony and beauty, happiness and prosperity. So during the Chinese New Year, Chinese people like to buy a lotus lantern and bring it back I hope that through my video today, you can have some idea of this beautiful art form in Nanjing. It is also a part of the Chinese culture. If you ever come to Nanjing in the future, I will definitely show you around.